Okay, so let's get into problem 18 for the distance from a point to a plane. So which is the same exercise that we just did. So here is our reference plane, okay? And we have our horizontal view and the front view. Your anchor point is right there. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the reference plane, yeah? And this time we're gonna just draw across this anchor point, right? Then we will connect the lines for visualization, and then we're gonna do our extension of our lines, okay? We always do 1 to 1, 3 to 3, 2 to 2 between two views, horizontal view and then the front view. Okay, and then of course your anchor point is right there. And after that, we start drawing, okay, horizontal line beginning at the point 2, all right? So starting from this front view, yeah? So beginning right there, your instruction is beginning at point 2 and then intersecting the line between points 1 and 3, yeah, and projected into the horizontal view. So draw from here to there and project it to the horizontal view. Line, okay, from point 2 to line 1, 3, project it into the horizontal view. So we got this, okay, and this is just a projector line. So the line that we just edited, right, this line to the crossing this line 1, 3, that is called the level line, yeah? And level line, another term is known as a straight line, yeah? When you have to deal with the oblique surfaces, okay? So you will come across a straight line. Oh, what is straight line? I don't know what's straight. So straight line is actually just a level line, yeah? Then we're gonna do our true length line here. We can either draw this way or that way, and here is a limited space right there on paper. So we're just gonna go ahead and draw your true length line is right there because we projected from here to there. So we're gonna project all of other points, and then construct a reference plane because you need it in order for us to do the next view. So here is your true length line, your level line, your reference line is right here, and we are gonna fill in all other projectors line. Okay, so from the middle view, we will start getting our first, which is your primary auxiliary view. Do the same distance measurement, from your reference plane, this guy, second one. Connect all the points, and we have a full line right there, so you can definitely get the slope of that line very, very clearly here, pretty neat. So we got our first slope angle, then we have to get the horizontal distance, so to find the horizontal distance, what we have to do, we gotta measure the distance from the point A, all right, to the intersection of the edge view projection and the horizontal plane, okay? So what we're doing is this guy, okay? So this is your point A. It said it so. Measure the distance from point A to the intersection of the edge view. This is your edge view, okay? Extend it so you can be able to find the intersection, So if you draw it, we get that, okay? So that's your horizontal distance. Then in order for us to find the vertical distance, right, we're going to orient the measurement perpendicular to the horizontal plane, because that is vertical usually is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So again, from point A to the plane of the deck plate, and right here, okay, the plane of the deck plate, going the way directions. Don't forget your 1, 2 is right here, which is this guy, okay? And that's your just a front view. That's your horizontal view, okay? On top of your mountain on the plane, on top view, top plane, okay? Do not lose that. Otherwise, you'll be thinking, where's my deck? Where's my deck? Your deck is on the top of your mountain. Don't forget that, right? And you're projecting from that view to this view. So it's right here, yeah? Okay, now let's take that. So here is the base, 1, 2, okay? All the way down, perpendicular, okay, to there. And from the point, of course, A, so top edge of the plane to the point A, yeah? And that's your perpendicular distance, yeah? So you have your horizontal distance, your vertical distance, okay? Your vertical distance and the horizontal distance, your slope angle, yeah? Slope angle, horizontal distance, vertical distance, perpendicular distance, okay? Make sure you get all of that. Then we can get rid of all of our drawing lines, yeah? Erase it. Your horizontal distance, vertical distance, your slope angle, and your perpendicular distance. Okay? That's where your antenna, unit is going to be. Right now, it must be very hard for you to, because this is your first problem, yeah? I just want you to take it slow and relate what you see on your paper, yeah, and to the problem scenario, yes, and try to actually get it, yes, actually get it in your head, please. Okay, all right. So that's for your distance, yeah, from a point to a plane completed problems. So please study. Yep. Okay, so the rest of them are your self-evaluation auxiliary views, yeah? So that's a problem 19 all the way to 22. I am not going to go over any of it, yeah? That's your homework. Please study all of them, and you'll be doing one of them or 3 of them, yes? As usual, as your assignment, okay? Alright, well, that's it for, yeah, that's it for the, for this section, yeah?